Okay, we have a Hurco CNC Vertical Machining Center, model VM1, serial number VM106034122AE. This machine was new in 2003 and we are running it. Machine has a Hurco ULTIMAX control, side mount tool changer with 16 tool capacity. It's a 40 taper spindle. We're running right now, it goes up to 8,000 RPM.
2,500.
Right now we're at 2,500. You have a 14 by 30 T-slotted table with 26 inches of X travel, 14 of Y and 18 of Z.
4,000.
That's 4,000 RPM. 6,000 RPM, okay. We're gonna run the axes around. She also has a coolant system with it. He's moving the Y in and out. You have telescopic weight covers, all axes. That's your X. And your Z. Great. I'm going to simulate a tool change. Okay, one more and I think we've had it. All right, thank you for watching our video.